morning. I just woke up and I am going to take you all through a little self-care day today. I really need to just give myself a little bit of a break, so it's going to be a little bit more of a vlog style video. I'm going to start the day by opening some packages because I have some exciting things to go through, and then I'm just going to kind of take you along my day. So go ahead and open what I got. Okay, so we're just doing super casual sitting on the floor. So I just got this. This is a kind of like headache relief cap. I shared one of these in like a holiday gift guide, I think, a little while ago, but I got this one because you can actually heat it up, and I've realized that my headaches respond better to heat than cold. So got this. I actually got it on a really good Amazon deal. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, definitely do that because I post tons of daily deals on there, Amazon and otherwise. So little plug for myself there. I think this is actually it for Amazon. I also got some new detergent. I like laundry sheets versus laundry soap. This is a brand I haven't tried, but it was on sale on Amazon. Again, go follow my Instagram. You get 60 in here, and I'm pretty sure I paid like $3 or something. So this is gonna last me a long time. More sustainable. Smells really good. Last package we have is the most exciting, and it is this box from SILVERWIND. I did want to say thank you to SILVERWIND for sending me this. I am so incredibly excited to be working with them, and I can't wait for you to see the pieces that I got. So I'm gonna just set this up so that we can kind of get the full experience together. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is SILVERWIND, which is the most beautiful sustainable activewear company ever. They are working on a mission to inspire people to live more sustainably, to protect the ocean and the planet with their designs. Y'all, this packaging, oh my goodness. It's so well done. I got 2 different sets. The first is the renewal set. I got a high-waisted pair of shorts and a crossback sports bra. And then I also get a matching scrunchie, which is such a nice surprise. It's so fun to have a coordinating scrunchie with your active outfit. And then I also got the goddess set. I got a high-waisted pair of leggings and a crossback sports bra. These are so beautiful, y'all. And the best part, everything is super sustainable. So they are made all from recycled plastic bottles. You can see when you unwrap the hemp that these leggings were made with 23 recycled plastic bottles. All of their designs are inspired by nature, and they are so beautiful. They're also verified with the Global Recycled Standard as well. Everything just feels and looks so stunning. If you would like to try SILVERWIND yourself, you can go ahead and use the code ELLIE20 to save 20% off. Thank you so much to SILVERWIND for sending these my way. Let's put them to the test. Y'all, these leggings are incredible. Look how beautiful the design on the thigh is. They lasted through every single bit of my workout, and they breathe so well. The bra is super supportive and perfect for giving Monkey little cuddles in the middle of the workout. Took her for a little bit of a walk after our workout together, and then decided to just throw on a jacket and go run some errands. So one of the things that I really like doing on the weekends and even on the weekdays is going and getting coffee for myself and my boyfriend. It's just a nice way to wake him up, you know? And I feel like it's just my little way of saying I love you in the morning. So let's go ahead and go get some coffee. Went to my favorite coffee shop. Got myself my go-to drink. I love the Human Bean. If you have one near you, highly recommend going. They always give you a white chocolate and dark chocolate covered espresso bean. These are delicious. I get an almond milk matcha latte with strawberry puree mixed in and a strawberry cold foam extra pink, and it's delicious. Let's go into the grocery store. few things that I need to pick up for dinner, so let's do that. After a quick snack, I decided to do some cleaning around the house. I spent most of the day doing the boring side of self-care. Dishes, laundry, paying bills, you know the drill. And then decided to treat myself with a little bit of Netflix and some sunset yoga for the evening. I did this in my second SILVERWIND set and I loved it. Again, breathed so well and super supportive. And then decided to round out the evening with a nice, relaxing shower and some skincare. I decided to try a new hair mask and I don't know if I loved it, but I decided to put it on, turn on my galaxy light, and do some guided meditation. I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog for this evening, since this is where my night ended. I wanted to say thank you to SILVERWIND for sending me these beautiful pieces. I will have all the links and the coupon code down below for you. Thank you so much for coming and spending a self-care day with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!